A jet ski and catamaran in one. You bet. Step onto the Cormorant K7, its hydrofoils adjust, transforming it into a speedy boat, blending the best of both worlds. Plus, when you open the swimming platform, it lifts the butterfly wing doors. It becomes your personal floating island. The creators believe that this is a game changer in boat design, so they've used top-notch technology. They've built a carbon fiber monocoque, much like an F1 car. If you wish, the engines can be boosted to 900 horsepower to reach speeds of up to 70 km per hour. In fact, they've even thought about creating a racing version. Obviously, it comes with features like hi-fi audio, autopilot, leather upholstery and other luxuries. But let's talk price. It's around $1.7 million. The team at Handstager doesn't just build boats with unique designs. Their goal is to completely change the way that boats are designed. But, are buyers ready for such a change? Take the X1 for example. Even its creator doubted there'd be demand for this trimaran. However, several dozen people immediately wanted to buy it. Surprisingly, Handstager didn't plan to mass-produce the X1 and intended to make only 3 or 4 of them. So what exactly is the X1? It's a single-masted cruising model with a carbon fiber hull, suitable for open sea voyages. The vessel has 3 cabins, accommodating up to 6 overnight guests, and requires a crew of 4 to operate. This luxurious ship comes at a price of around $5.3 million. In just 5 years, the worldwide market for drones is expected to surpass $67 billion. It makes you wonder what innovative products on the horizon, especially since we already have impressive models that were once just a dream. Take the Takuma Ito for instance. This self-controlled electric towing watercraft is designed for surface. It can run for up to 85 minutes on a single charge, reaching speeds to up to 45 km per hour. Plus, it can be controlled remotely within a 600 meters radius. The drone maintains a safe distance from others, and even flips itself back over if it gets knocked over by waves. You can order the Takuma Ito today for around $9,000. Planning a trip to Turkey next year? Make sure to try out the Airfish 8. A local company has already ordered 10 of them, and plans to use them for tourist excursions. There are only 10 seats on board, but don't worry, the speed of 167 km per hour more that makes up for it. Surprisingly, only one pilot is needed to control this fast vehicle. The Airfish 8 is powered by a car engine, which gives it a good range of 555 km in the standard version, and up to 1,852 km with larger fuel tanks. Of course, the Airfish 8 is affected by weather conditions, but it can handle waves of up to 3 points, and winds up to 8 meters per second without any issues. Plus, it can be easily modified for cargo, medical, or military purposes. The DPC, or Diver Propulsion Craft, is a line of fast, compact, and versatile diving equipment. The 4th generation has been improved with an impressive thrust of over 1,300 newtons, which means the DPC-4 can pull a team of 6 people or large cargo containers. Among other impressive specs, it can accelerate up to 180 meters per minute, and travel up to 60 kilometers on a single charge. It can dive to depths of up to 80 meters, and is effective even when used on the surface. Looking after the environment is not only beneficial, but also profitable. For instance, NARC has successfully sold out all of its electric jet skis. If you missed out, don't worry, the company is working on something new and exciting. To make the weight more bearable, let's take a closer look at the GT45 model. This jet ski can carry up to 225 kilograms, so you can ride with your friends. Although the GT45's engine isn't the most powerful at 60 horsepower, it can still reach speeds of up to 55 kilometers per hour. The battery lasts for an hour and a half, and can be fully charged in 2 hours using a special charger, or in 6 hours using a regular household socket. Plus, its sleek design would look great on a trailer behind a Tesla Cybertruck. Bravada Yacht specializes in building houseboats, which are essentially homes on water. A typical V-Series model is 24 meters long, and offers comfort and luxury. Let's take a look at the Invictus vessel as an example. Wonder if the owners are fans of the Paco Rabanne perfume of the same name. The engineers have divided the 297 square meters of living space into 5 suites, 2 kitchens, 2 bathrooms, and 2 cabins. In total, the vessel can accommodate up to 14 guests. The interior is so stylish that it would fit right in on an episode of MTV Cribs. The exterior of the houseboat is also unique. Most houseboats resemble bricks due to their simple and reliable design, but Bravada Yachts isn't afraid to take on challenges, and opted for a design with seductive curves. As for the price, they didn't hold back either. It costs $2 million. The Adrenaline ZRX47 is like a supercar on water, so let's talk about its engines. It has 2 of them, and in the top configuration, they produce a combined 2,700 horsepower. This means the Adrenaline ZRX47 can reach speeds of up to 240 kilometers per hour. If that's not fast enough for you, the company's willing to create an even more powerful custom version. This boat is definitely meant to show off to other boat owners. You can enjoy the speed with up to 10 passengers on board, and the built-in audio system with 8 speakers lets you race to your favorite music. The America's Cup Sailing Competition is the oldest international sports event in the world, even predating the modern Olympic Games by over 40 years. It's surprising that this competition is often referred to not only as a sailing race, but also as a technological one. For example, the AC-75 yacht was specifically designed for the America's Cup, and boasts some incredible engineering solutions. It's the first sailing yacht capable of flying over water, measuring 23 meters long and weighing only 6.5 tons. To put that into perspective, the Black Magic from 1995 was almost 3 times heavier. Although teams can modify the AC-75, its speed is impressive either way. For instance, the Ineos Team UK was able to reach speeds of 93 kilometers per hour. Some publications even compare the work involved in designing and upgrading the AC-75 to the development of airplanes. When luxury, speed, and opulence come together, you get yachts like the Kalila. This stunning 49 meters yacht is the first in Palmer Johnson's Super Sport line. It can accommodate 11 guests and 9 crew members, and features a luxurious interior that rivals high-end hotels. Interestingly, Kalila isn't just a glamorous yacht, but also a performance powerhouse. In line with the best sports models, it can reach speeds up to 55 kilometers per hour, thanks to its pair of engines with a combined 5,200 horsepower. With a fuel capacity of 40,000 liters, Kalila's range is also impressive at 2,778 kilometers. So, how much does it cost? Well, brace yourself, a specialized website estimates the price at around $30 million. Also worth mentioning is the Hi-Fly water sport team that created Flyway, the world's first hydrofoil e-jet ski. The unique thing about Flyway is that it flies over water, which reduces energy consumption by 70%. This means that owners have more time to practice stunts with a single charge. There isn't much information available about the technical aspect of the project yet. We do know that the creators chose a propeller instead of a water jet, and maneuvers are done with a rudder instead of tilt. One unexpected feature is the built-in Bluetooth speaker. The price for this vehicle is around $15,500. Sea Bubbles is a new vehicle that aims to improve people's quality of life while respecting the planet's water resources. It doesn't generate waves, noise, or emissions, thanks to its electric engines. The design is so efficient that it can save up to 90% on operating costs. The standard Sea Bubbles model can carry a captain and 4 passengers at speeds up to 22 km per hour. It only needs a speed of 11 km per hour and 3 seconds to rise above the water on hydrofoils. The more advanced Smart Bubble model can seat up to 12 people and accelerate up to 30 km per hour. AI algorithms help control the ship systems and regulate energy consumption. The Eldorado 8S is another hydrofoil boat, but its creators claim that it offers a completely new and unique experience. It glides over the water like a bird. So, what sets the Eldorado 8S apart from its competitors? Firstly, it was designed by Ivo van Hulten, who is known for his work on Porsche cars. Secondly, it uses AI algorithms to adjust the hydrofoils to the optimal position, allowing the captain to safely accelerate up to 70 km per hour. Thirdly, the boat can turn around on the spot, making it very convenient for mooring. However, the range may be a bit disappointing, only 74 km on a single charge. This might not be what you expect from a boat that costs $414,000. Boat Home has created a hybrid between a houseboat and a camping trailer. They've shrunken down a houseboat to the size of a trailer, making it much easier to tow while keeping all the benefits of a houseboat. This hybrid is comfortable both on water and land. Take the Quest model for instance. At 7.6 meters long, it features a cozy kitchen with a window, sink, oven, and more. There's also a rear deck at the back, and an external awning perfect for enjoying your favorite drink. The 2 houseboats' motors are suspended like in a regular motorboat, with the power of 40 horsepower each. All of these perks come at a price starting from $182,000. Does this kind of concept seem like something out of a sci-fi movie? Check out the Gliss Speed. It's a real watercraft that's perfect for water sports enthusiasts. While its design may not be as sleek as other models, the Gliss Speed has plenty of space for 2 people and is easy to control, with no license or registration required. Plus, it's eco-friendly, thanks to its electric motor. Although it's not super fast, it can reach speeds of up to 25 km per hour, which is plenty for a fun ride. And with a full charge taking just 2 hours, the Gliss Speed is an excellent rental option. Now, let's visit California and explore the wonders of Fallen Leaf Lake. This glacial-formed lake stretches 4.6 kilometers long, and boasts crystal clear water that's safe to drink, but that's just the beginning. Firstly, the lake plunges to a depth of 126 meters. Even more impressively, dozens of ancient trees are preserved at the bottom, many still standing upright. Radiocarbon dating reveals that some of these trees are approximately 35 centuries old. These remarkable discoveries provide scientists with valuable research material. That's why the Undersea Voyager Project, a non-profit organization, is dedicated to studying the lake. They even use a mini submarine named Spots for their research. This compact vessel can carry a two-persons team to depths of 122 meters, and keep them underwater for up to 10 hours. The Seacat Columbia is a specialized vessel designed for servicing offshore or wind turbines. To handle this challenging task, it required a unique hull and advanced stabilization systems, resulting in a 70% improvement in stability. Even in waves up to 2.5 meters high, the rocking on board is minimal. Additionally, the vessel's emissions have been reduced by 30%, equivalent to 1,200 tons less CO2 than other ships. The Seacat Columbia combines advanced technology with comfort, accommodating up to 24 people in its 30 meters length. Although the cabins are small, they're cozy enough to watch a movie, but only if you have time, because the Seacat Columbia travels at a speed of 46 kilometers per hour. Fast and clean, that's a great motto for a hitman, or for zero-jet boats. They're pretty compact. For instance, the OC300 model is only 3 meters long, but they come with a 20 kilowatt power plant, allowing them to reach speeds of up to 37 kilometers per hour. One secret to their speed is the lightweight carbon fiber body. Plus the company created an innovative closed cooling system, making the engine 61% lighter than many similar models. As a result, the boat serves several purposes, from a family boat for 2 adults and 2 kids to an accessory for a super yacht. What comes to mind when you hear the phrase, experimental warship? Probably something between Batman's gear and Warhammer's designs. However, real-life floating experiments can surprise you with both their appearance and capability. Meet the M80 Stiletto, a Pentamaran with stealth technology. Its top speed of 111 km per hour is impressive, but so is its shallow draft of only 91 cm. The M80 Stiletto is ideal for operations in shallow waters, and it has enough space on board for 13 people and 20 tons of cargo. Here's a useful fact for a trivia night: the world's biggest cruise ship is the Icon of the Seas. She's so massive that she's about 95 meters longer than the famous Titanic. She was launched in 2023, and has already started carrying passengers this year. Can you believe that she can accommodate 7,600 passengers on board? And to operate this giant, you need a crew of 2,350 people. Thankfully, the engineers designed 20 decks, and some impressive engines. They can run on both liquefied natural gas and distillate fuel, and are efficient enough to accelerate the ship up to 40 kilometers per hour. But, passengers probably won't have time to enjoy the passing scenery. They'll be too busy checking out the restaurants, sports fields, water park, and theater. The ship even has a 17 meters waterfall. So for $1,850 per ticket, passengers will definitely get their money's worth in entertainment and memories.